Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide the dock automatically on your MacBook computer. So if you don't want the dock down here showing when you're using different programs or applications, and you just want to activate it by moving your mouse over the bottom, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do just that. So we're going to start off by heading up to the top bar of our Apple menu, and you want to select the Apple icon and then select System Preferences. Alternatively, you can also select the System Preferences button down in our System Dock. You have a couple different options on how you want to access it. And you want to select the Dock and Menu Bar button. So go ahead and left click on that. Where it says automatically hide and show the dock, go ahead and check mark inside of that to automatically hide it. And if you want to make it appear just when you're browsing your computer, you can always just use your mouse to hover over it and it should appear that you can access it if you need to do anything down here. And if you want to undo that and just have it always permanently appear, you can uncheck the box to automatically hide and show the dock. And you can do the same thing also with the menu bar down here where it says automatically hide and show the menu bar. Again, works in the same way. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.